What's the loneliest thing you've ever done? When I was in elementary school and high school, I was bullied horribly. When I was about 13, the kids in my class invited me over to go for milkshakes and fries to celebrate the first day of Christmas break. I excitedly told my parents, and they were so happy for me. It seemed like I was finally making friends. Needless to say, they all stood me up. I was too scared to go home and tell my parents that once again I had fallen for their lies, so I stayed out by myself for a couple of hours, ate fries, drank a milkshake, and felt so alone. Obviously a horrible way to start Christmas break.